Hey friends, right now on Comedy for the Internet, we are honoring Dallas Comedy House, a comic institution here in the city of Dallas that recently had to close its doors. DCH is a super special place for so many performers. Pretty much everyone you see on this channel, got their start at Dallas Comedy House. It was a home, a creative hub, a community. We all miss it very much. So right now, to honor Dallas Comedy House, we're releasing some show videos that we have from a character monologue show that ran there called People Watching. We had about a 5-month run. Characters would write and perform their own original monologues every month. They would costume them, rehearse them, block them, all that stuff, and we'd perform it live one time only, and it would go away forever. But we have the videos from those shows, and we're going to share those with you now. This monologue still cracks me up every time I watch it. It's from John Spriggs, who you'll recognize from the channel. He played the mansplainer, and he played himself in the improv practice videos. That's what he's really like in real life. He loves Fanta. And this character is a lawyer who keeps putting his foot in his mouth by saying offensive stuff during a trial. I think you're gonna love it. So thank you for checking out these videos again. Thank you, Dallas Comedy House, for creating the space where these videos were possible. And enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've seen the evidence, you've heard the testimony, you've heard from my own client who testified that he was nowhere near the banana leaf when the crime occurred. Now, before we go any further, I feel like I need to address the elephant in the room, okay? I may have said or done some things during this trial that could be considered offensive. For instance, when I argued that my client had a sensitive stomach, I said that eating at the Banana Leaf Thai restaurant would have subjected him to a, quote, night-long fright fest of bathroom terrors. Now, I had assumed that all Thai food is spicy. I was since informed by a colleague that that assumption is incorrect and potentially offensive to Thai people. Now, I was prepared to come up here and make an educated guess of who all in this room is from Thailand. But I was informed by that same colleague to, quote, don't do that. Do not ever do that. So I'm just going to make a general I'm sorry to everyone in the room. And I apologize for when I cross-examined the prosecution's main witness. I read back her testimony to her using a falsetto voice. In my defense, I was doing that for the benefit of you, the jury, so you know when I was talking and when I was reading her testimony. Now, was wearing a big blonde wig unnecessary? Sure. Was wearing a bra on the outside of my chest weird and confusing? In hindsight, yeah. But these are merely theatrical tactics I acquired during my days of defensive dramatic comedy school in Reno, Nevada. And I went on that whole tangent about how kids should be tried as adults and there should be looser child labor laws. I honestly don't know where I was going with that. And then I joked that the district attorney had Ebola. In all honesty, I don't exactly know what that is. And you should be happy, because I was going to say he had AIDS. I said I was going to say that. It's just like, where's the line? You know? Where's the line between what is and isn't acceptable? Because I don't think I know anymore. And I'm tired of being canceled, okay? I'm tired of hurting people's feelings and not having any friends and my wife blocking me on Facebook out of sheer embarrassment. And with all due respect to my client, he's not on trial here. I am. It's like, ha, let's make fun of a weird guy who offends everybody. No, you know what? How about we make fun of you? Oh, I'm out of order, Your Honor? I'm out of order? Don't you think I know that? That's what this whole thing has been about, is I'm out of order. I'm out of order.